Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace a song in a template on CapCut. So here I have already opened the template tab on CapCut, and let's say that I want to use one of this templates. So I'm going to just click on one of them. So usually template has already come with a song that the creator added into the template. So if you want to replace it, you can just use this trick that I did. So just click on the use template first and then add your video. I'm going to just add this videos right here. Click on preview, and then after that just click on export. So export the video first. So after you export your video from the template, just start a new project with the video that you've just exported, and then after that just click on mute, or you can also extract the audio and then delete the audio, but I'm going to just mute. And after that you can just go to the audio and add the songs replacement that you want. I'm going to just choose a random song. For example, I want to add this one, and here a new songs has been added, and after that you can just click on export again so that you'll get that template with a new song. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.